What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, I was doing some service on tire rotation, and now I'm about to change the oil. So check this out. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoy and learn how to change the oil on a 2012 Volvo S60. This also goes for the 2010 models up to about 15 when they stopped using the V6 motor, or I should say straight 6. This is an inline 6 cylinder turbocharged engine from Volvo. First things first, remove the cover underneath. Alright, after removing the cover, take a 17mm wrench to remove the nut from the oil pan. I should say the bolt. Let that drain out. 7.7 quarts of oil. A lot of oil. Alright, after it's drained, reinstall the bolt into the pan. Do a nice little snug on the wrench. And now we're going to move up top to do the oil filter. So right here is where the oil filter sits for the inline 6. Remove the reservoir for the power steering pump with this tab here, and it should pull right out, which allows you the room to maneuver the oil filter housing out. Reinstall the power steering reservoir, just like that. Last step is to go ahead and carefully pour 5W30 synthetic oil back into the engine. This engine takes 7.7 quarts of oil. Once the oil is in the engine, everything's put back together and secured. Double check the oil levels after starting the motor. This is reading just on full, which is exactly where it needs to be. And the oil change is complete. The next service item that I want to go over on this 2012 Volvo S60 T6 model is the air filter, the air intake filter. Inspect it, make sure it's clean. This one looks to be in okay shape, almost ready to be replaced. This obviously shouldn't be loose like this, so this is time to be replaced. So if you like what I'm doing, please hit the like, please hit the share, and hit the subscribe. I greatly appreciate your support.